Someone rightly said, sometimes it's the smallest decision that can change our life forever. I'm your super coach Sonu Prasad. Welcome you all in this series of Spark Your Mind. So let's welcome our today's guest who give us some insights on decision making.
She's a small town girl with big dreams, goals, and ambition. She's a born leader with a golden heart. She can speak more than 5 languages, a topper in her college and French language, a super communicator, and awesome direction clarity coach. Please welcome one of my friend, Jilmil Shah.
So hello Jalmil, how are you?
Hi, Sanu. How are you? I'm good.
I'm good, I'm good. It's a long time we have met.
Yes,
So,
absolutely. I think almost 3 months now.
exactly. So first of all, thank you for accepting my request and coming in this series.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm
It's my
really
pleasure.
excited to be here.
Wow, that's great. That's great. So, how is the lockdown treating you?
Like they say that every problem is also an opportunity. So I've taken this as an opportunity to do work on myself. Okay, so started giving myself time, started thinking of what I like doing. Also, I coach people, so that's also going on. So a lot of
That's
things, a lot of things that I had never done before, I started doing on a regular basis, and all of that is happening. So it's a mixed thing. Obviously, uh, I love freedom, so I love going
wow.
out, meeting people, but that's not happening. Yeah, we do meet people virtually now, but obviously, I think I would say it's a mixed bag.
Exactly. And seeing a problem as an opportunity is also a good thing.
Yes,
I also
absolutely.
believe that to say कि problem को problem की तरह treat करेंगे, then we can't do anything. But if we
True.
see the problem like opportunity, we can tackle it or do it a better way and find it a better
Hmm.
way. So that is really amazing thing.
Absolutely. In the beginning, I had a lot of difficulty accepting it, but when then I realized that me having problem is not going to change the situation, so it's better that I accept it and work with it.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
Jilmil, I always heard you saying that you are one decision away from your destiny. So what is the story behind
Absolutely.
this?
So I think I really believe in this quote, and it's all about my life, how it has been, and just to share one of the biggest incidences in my life. So I was doing my science in my 11th standard. I'm from Jamshedpur, right? So I was studying in school, Rajendra Vidyalaya, and I was doing my science. I flunked my 11th standard because I could not give my physics exam. I had an accident on the same day of the exam. Okay, so I had flunked my 11th standard. My brother was studying 1 year, one batch junior to me. So I had two choices. Okay, I had to make a decision whether I want to stay or continue, or move out of the school and find a new place to restart my life. So I was very clear that whatever it is, I can't study with my brother and his friends who would call me Didi in the school. Okay, so I was very clear. So I had made a decision that whatever it is, I will go out, okay, and restart my life. That a failure is not the end of life, and whatever the reason was, my accident, or I could not manage the subject physics. I flunked in only one subject, physics, and I could not manage that for whatever reason. But I strongly believe that it was my decision to move out of that place is has defined or has made me to what I am today. I went out to study in Pune. Okay, I joined Symbiosis. My brother came along with me. Then I went ahead to do my BA in English. Post that, I got into Symbiosis Mass Communication. So SIMC, I did my audiovisual specialization. Again, everything that you do in life is a decision because you have choices to
Exactly.
make. the subject that you choose. So when I got into 11th standard in Pune Symbiosis, I had a choice of choosing a second subject. So there was Hindi, Marathi, French, and German. I chose French, okay, because that was the most, second most spoken language in the world. I
Exactly.
I chose French. I topped in French. I was sent to Paris, from the college, okay, for free.
Oh,
And again, that was a decision I took, okay, a choice I took, and that changed my life. That was the first time I was traveling in a aircraft and directly to Paris, okay. I didn't even have a passport, but all that happened, okay. So life
exactly.
has always been the decision of who you become, okay. So it is about the choice that you make or choice that you take from the options that you have. Again, after that, when I joined mass communication, I had option of choosing my specialization. I chose audio visual, okay, because films always fascinated me. I'm a very filmy person. I think I can say I would be one of the top people who must have watched the most films, in any person could have watched. I watch a film every day till today,
Oh,
okay. I watch a film every day. There are a
yes.
lot of times I watch 2 films, 3 films in a
Oh,
day. So I'm a complete movie buff. So that choice was very simple for me to make. I went ahead, worked in Mumbai, okay. I have done reality shows. I've worked in Jhalak Dikhla Jai. I've worked with BBC Worldwide. I've worked on
yeah.
different reality shows. Then worked on award shows also. I've worked with all possible celebrities that you can know or think of. Then I was not growing, I felt. So I had a choice of moving out. I chose to move out again. I came to Delhi, started looking for something that I wanted to do. Uh, did a course in radio jockeying because I felt communication was my strength and I wanted to do something in that field. Tried my hand, didn't quite really work. Then I got back into events, and finally, when you had a choice, you finally get your calling. So my calling was coaching. I finally
Exactly.
got into it, started doing it, and I think I'm happy and contented right now.
Exactly.
So that
Wow. That.
so that is why I say that, your one decision of me not staying back in Jamshedpur to repeat my 11th has changed my life. So it's that one
Exactly.
decision that you need to take, okay, that changes your entire future or your destiny.
True, true, true. Wow, that what an amazing journey from
True.
Jamshedpur to Mumbai to here. Wow,
Yes. Yes. Absolutely.
absolutely, that's great. So, Jilmil, how can one identify the decision is right or wrong? There are, mm, as you said,
See.
every step of our life is a decision. कि हमें कहीं ना कहीं
Correct.
हर स्टेप पे डिसीजन लेना ही पड़ता है, तो हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें कि डिसीजन राइट है और रॉन्ग है?
See, I
हाउ
strongly
कैन
believe there is nothing right or wrong. जब आप डिसीजन ले लेते हो और उसका जो रिजल्ट आता है वो डिसाइड करता है कि शायद मैंने गलत कर दिया. करेक्ट.
राइट
You get married, and after the marriage you realize you have married the wrong person, right?
ट्रू
So you take up a job. जब आप जॉब ले रहे थे ऑफर, आपको नहीं पता था कि वो अच्छा रहेगा या बुरा रहेगा. इट्स ओनली आफ्टर यू डिसाइड, आफ्टर you've taken the decision, the consequences, gives us the feeling or gives us that thought that it was right or wrong. So I don't think there is a right decision or a wrong decision, but yes, there is a process to take a decision. And I think that would help you decide if it is a right decision or a wrong decision.
Whoa, that's a amazing line that there is no right decision or wrong decision. That is a
Absolutely
process of making decision. Wow, that is
correct.
great. True, true. I do agree. There is a process of making decisions. As
Obviously,
we,
and
yeah,
and different people have different processes, okay. So one makes a decision because of a lot of things, okay, a lot of factors of what he has seen around, okay, his past experiences, his or her past experiences of seeing people who are in the similar field, okay. A lot of things help you make that decision, okay. When I wanted to get into mass communication, audio visual communication, it was very new back then. I passed out in 2007, so it's like 13 years back. So it was
right.
very new for everybody to understand. till today, my parents didn't know what I was doing in television. So I said I was working as a line producer. So my mom asked me, "Acha, tu karti kya ho?" So I said, "Mom, I am a line producer." That I got it. You are working in television. You're working on Jhalak Dikhla Ja, but what are you doing?
What are you doing?
So it was very new for me and everybody, around me. But what made me, take that decision was my passion for films, was my passion for visual content, and that is so
Right.
what you like, or there are different factors that help you take a decision. So I think that is what
True.
one needs to keep in mind when you're taking a decision.
Exactly. That's really nice. So, how can one take a effective decision?
So I think obviously, like I said, there's a process. Okay, so when you
Exactly.
have to take a decision, what I believe is you think of the consequences that it has. When I have to make a choice, if you must have seen the movie Sholay, they flip a coin. Okay,
Yeah.
why do you flip a coin? Because when you're flipping the coin, when the coin is in air, that is what they say. When the coin is in air, you actually know what you want it to come. You want it to come heads or tails, because
True.
you have already thought what you want to do. So when you flip a coin, you exactly know कि करना क्या है, what decision to take. I also do a small trick. It's a trick, okay? It's how you believe, because what you believe will happen. What you want to do should do, okay? What I do is, if I have two choices, I write it on a small sheet of paper. Okay, I put it below my pillow in the night when I'm going off to sleep. Keep that thought in my head, okay, when I'm sleeping, that in the morning, and I mix the chits up, okay, and the chits
Oh,
exactly look same. I don't know what the chit is. In the morning when I wake up, okay, I tell God that please help me with finding the answer to this, and I take out one chit. The chit is actually what I thought it should be, okay.
oh,
So your mind already knows what you want to do. It is right
exactly.
or wrong is a separate thing, okay, but it is your mind, it tells you what to do. But if on a serious note, if I have to tell you, one needs to think of the best and the worst case scenario of the consequence of the decision. For example, I had to go out to Pune and study, okay, when I was studying. So what was the worst that could happen? Worst was I could fail again. I would have to come back. Was I
Right.
prepared for it? Yes, I was. What was the best could happen? The best could happen is everything was new. I could give it a fresh start. Nobody knew my background. Nobody knew my
True.
strengths and everything. Okay, I could give it a fresh start, change everything, and that is what happened. Okay, so you should be prepared for the best and the worst case scenario of the consequences of your decision. कि अगर मैंने ये किया तो सबसे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है. सबसे अच्छा ये हो सकता है कि मैं सक्सेसफुल हो सकती हूँ, मेरा करियर बन सकता है, ये हो सकता है. अगर मैंने ये किया
Exactly.
तो सबसे वर्स्ट क्या हो सकता है. सबसे वर्स्ट हो सकता है कि ये होगा, ये होगा. If you have two choices, okay, this is when you are taking one decision, you have no choice, okay. But if you have two choices, कि मैं ये करूँ या ये करूँ, what I generally do is I write down the pros and cons of it. Okay, I write down both the options that I have. I write what is the good part of it and what is the bad part of it, and then I weigh. You put it on a weighing scale. One will be definitely better, or one will be
Better.
definitely higher in terms of what you like doing. For example, I'll tell you, when I was working in Bombay, you know, locals are a big thing in Bombay. Okay, but trust
True.
me, I had not traveled by local train. I used to travel by local train only once a year. Okay, when I used to go back home, because it
Yeah.
was I had to take a train from the end of CST station. So
Yeah.
only that time I would travel by local train because I hated it. I never took up a job which was far from my home. So
Yeah, you
when I
told
had a
me.
choice, when I had a choice of weighing the two things, because I never liked local traveling, I never went for an interview to a far off place. So you need to know what you like, what you don't like, and that will help you in making that decision. So I was
Exactly.
never upset about doing a job, because I only worked around where I was staying, because I hate local traveling. Okay, I love traveling, but not traveling in local train or
Local
buses,
train.
or yeah. So I
Exactly.
did not want to spoil my memory of traveling, okay, by traveling in local. It's not that I was earning millions and billions, but I could manage before, without traveling in locals, because that was a choice I made. So that helped me take my decision about, doing a job. I was okay to get paid a little less. I was okay to work for a smaller production house or on a smaller show. But I was very clear that I don't want to travel in local every day, because they say time is money. I don't want to waste 2 hours traveling every day back and forth. For people who do not have a choice, I mean, hats off to them who travel every day, from their home. I know people who
Exactly,
travel every day from Pune to Bombay to
Bombay.
work and come back in the evening. Okay. I know of such people. I know of people. I am from Jamshedpur. People travel from Jamshedpur to Calcutta every day. Okay. In a 6 o'clock train, reach at 9 o'clock, 9:30, and come back in the night again. Every day traveling for 3.5 hours one way. I know of such
Exactly.
people, but they do not have a choice, or they have made a decision,
Decision to
thinking all of this in mind. They're okay with that.
exactly.
I am not. So you need to make a decision, effective decision, which will make you happy, which will make others happy. Think of the best and the worst consequences. Prepare for both. Okay. If you're not ready for worst, don't take that decision. As simple is, if you have to do a love marriage, are you okay if it doesn't work? Are you okay if your parents don't agree? Are you okay to
Exactly.
live alone? Can you manage it all? If you can't, do not take that decision. Do not. Because, if you're not prepared for the worst case scenario, I never wish that it should happen. But what if it happens? If you're not
Exactly.
prepared, you
Not
will break down. You will lose it. Okay. So
true.
take a decision when you're prepared for both the consequences. If you have a choice, then weigh the pros and cons. Think what you like doing. A lot of people face a problem in choosing a career. Very difficult.
Yeah,
Kya kare?
very so much people.
I I think for a lot of people, money is a driving factor. So if I had to pursue a decision as an, let's say I want to be an actor. Okay,
Yeah,
money is not good, or an assistant director in films. Money is not good in the beginning. Okay, unless you become successful. Are you okay with
true.
it? Do you have a good financial background? Okay, that can support your passion for it. If not, do not try struggling for 20 years. Okay, do not. There
Exactly,
is
exactly.
there is one Nawazuddin Siddiqui, there is one Boman Irani, there is one Anupam Kher Kapoor who got success at the
True.
later age. Okay, but if you are not prepared to struggle for 20 years, I know people, I have many friends out there in Mumbai who are struggling to be an actor. Their life have got spoiled. Okay, their relationship have got spoiled because of their thing to become a actor. But if you are not prepared to not, I have a great friend who is also a fellow coach. His name is Ankush. Okay, he's
Okay.
also an actor, aspiring actor. But you know what he did? He has started an alternative source of income along with becoming an actor, and I really, get inspired from him. He's a health coach. Okay, so he
Okay.
trains people in health. He is like fitness. He coaches people who are fit, who want to be fit but have a health issue. So
Okay. That's all.
to
That
follow his passion, he has created a source of
created
income. So he can
true.
keep following his passion because he
Exactly.
has this financial support. And I really look up to him. And I said, brilliant, Ankush. That is something everybody should look forward to. And I think people should get inspired from him. People who want to, try their hand at acting. And I'm sure he'll be successful as an actor also, because he's a brilliant coach and a brilliant human being.
Exactly.
But
Multiple source of income are
yeah,
always good.
absolutely. So you need
Absolutely.
to know the pros and cons. He knew the pro and cons. He knew that, acting doesn't pay you too much in the beginning till you become successful. So
So,
what he did is he found an option to, work on that.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Jilmil, you told us two tricks. The first
Yeah.
one, write down all the pros and cons and see the decision which part is
Absolutely.
high, and
Yes,
it will help you
absolutely.
to take decision. And the second thing, okay, that write down your decisions or things which you want to choose, and next day just pick it one slip
Yes,
and
absolutely.
take your decision. That part
Absolutely.
really exciting and
But
amazing that you told.
I wouldn't suggest you to write the name of your 5 girlfriends and put it in a chitta paper and next day which one should I choose? Don't do that, Sonu.
Yeah, I'm not doing.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. So Jill, बात की हमने डिसीजन अफेक्टिव रीजनिंग, बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ सिचुएशंस जब हमसे रॉन्ग डिसीजंस ले लेते हैं, तो व्हाई पीपल टेक रॉन्ग डिसीजन?
Okay. I think people take wrong decisions because of 2 reasons mainly. First is they are not aware of they are not knowledgeable enough or aware of the entire situation. Okay. They are not aware or, not sure about the result that it's going to have. A lot of people take decisions when they are not in the stable state of mind. Wrong decision. When somebody decides to end their life, it's a wrong decision, right?
Exactly.
But why did it take that? Because you are not in the best of your state of mind.
Yeah.
So Sadhguruji, I'm sure you know Sadhguruji.
Yeah,
okay?
yeah,
So
yeah.
Sadhguruji says this one thing, okay, which I strongly believe is when you have to take a decision when you have, peace of mind, when you are in a happy state of mind. Don't take a decision when a negative emotion is ruling your mind. Be it anger, be it hatred, be it revenge, be it depression, be it sadness. Any negative emotion, if it is ruling your mind right now or ruling your thoughts right now, do not take a decision. First,
Exactly.
calm your mind, get into a positive state, and then take a decision. Because any decision when a negative emotion is riding on your head, it will be a wrong decision. It will be. Why do people end up killing somebody? Okay, because of hatred, because of revenge, because of all the negative emotions and thoughts that are running in their mind that time. Okay, so I would say that if you want to take a right decision, make a decision or take a decision when you are mentally stable with your mind, when you are mentally at peace with your mind, when you are mentally happy. Okay, then you should take
Exactly.
a decision.
Exactly. I also believe, because I work with people with all mind. I am a mind transformational coach. So I also believe that कि जब हम अपने लो स्टेज में होते हैं या फिर अपने डिस्ट्रैक्टिव स्टेज में होते हैं, जब हमें कुछ समझ नहीं आता है, हम उदास होते हैं या फिर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड होते हैं, तो हम कोई भी एक्शन लेते हैं या फिर कोई डिसीजन लेते हैं, तो उसका कहीं ना कहीं इम्पैक्ट हमारी लाइफ पे पड़ता ही है. सो आई ऑल्सो बिलीव दैट कि हम अगर जब तक बैलेंस स्टेट में नहीं है अपनी और अपनी हैप्पी स्टेट में नहीं है, तब तक हमें कोई भी ऐसा स्टेप नहीं लेना चाहिए जो इम्पोर्टेंट डिसीजंस होते हैं. आई डू एक्चुअली.
Also, I had heard this quote, somebody saying this quote के जल्दी डिसीजन लेने चाहिए, जल्दबाजी में नहीं. Very powerful statement. So जल्दी लो डिसीजन, ये नहीं कि आपने जिंदगी बिता दी डिसीजन लेने में, which a lot of people do. Okay, but जल्दी डिसीजन तो जल्दबाजी में नहीं is a quote also I believe in.
Exactly.
Yeah.
True. So how can one improve their decision making?
Okay. So, there are a lot of tools available online also on decision making. There are QCAT and a lot of tools also available decision making. But what I really feel, if you want to improve your decision making, okay, there are a lot of options that you have. Firstly, if let's give you an example why I'm going back to the film industry, because there is where I am from. If I want to be an actor, how do I take a decision of being an actor? Firstly, know your strengths. Okay, know your strengths. If you are a good actor, a lot of people who, I'm not trying to demotivate them, but please understand what your strengths are. If you are not good at acting, okay, there will be a lot of fake people who will be telling you you're brilliant, but you're not.
Exactly.
A lot of people. So know what your strength is the first thing to make a decision. If you are good at it or not good at it, to take that decision. Okay, let's say for example, if you have to do a love marriage, are you good at staying alone? Are you strong enough to support your partner financially, emotionally, every way, because there might be a situation where nobody supports you to take that decision. So know your strength, understand your situation. You know, I'm sure you've heard Sandeep Maheshwari. He says
Yeah.
two things can help you take a better decision. Okay, first is understanding of the situation or the problem. Okay, the knowledge of it, and second thing is what your desire is. मन क्या कह रहा है, बट मन वो कहना चाहिए जिससे आप खुश हो और आपके अगल बगल वाले लोग खुश हो. Only don't think of your happiness, or only don't think of other people's happiness. A lot of people, I know of such people, okay, they get married into an arranged marriage because they want their parents to be happy, because their parents are not allowing them to do a love marriage. But will they
Yeah.
be happy forever?
No.
Some might be able to adjust, some might not be.
True.
But take a decision, okay, which keep everybody happy. Understand the situation. Will you be able to do justice to that relationship is my question. You know, people who just get married for their parents' sake, or parents who just ask their kids to get married into an arranged marriage because of their name in the society. कि सोसाइटी में क्या बोलेंगे अगर एक हिंदू लड़की ने मुस्लिम लड़के से शादी कर ली या whatever, you know. But understand the situation, understand what makes your child happy. I strongly believe I am blessed with the most amazing parents, I would say. They've given me the freedom to choose whoever I want. I'm really blessed. I know a lot of people are not, okay, where their parents
Exactly.
impose their decision on them, where they are, you know, forced to get married at a particular age with a particular person. But you are spoiling the entire life of your kid just for your own happiness. I don't think that's a right decision to make. Okay, so make a decision when you're aware of the situation. Make a decision what your heart desires. Okay, make a decision which keeps you happy and others happy. That is how you can improve. Understand the thing thoroughly. If you want to do a love marriage, if you go to somebody who has been successful, what will he say? यार बहुत अच्छा होता है. I think I'm the most lucky person in the world. But if you go to somebody who
Exactly.
has failed,
There are
वो क्या
people.
if you go to somebody who has failed in a love marriage, वो क्या बोलेगी? लव अब कुछ नहीं होता है, सब शादी के पहले होता है, शादी के बाद सब बदल जाता है.
True, true.
You know, I've heard a lot of people saying this कि love and marriage are two separate words. Love पहले
Yeah.
होता है शादी से पहले, इसीलिए लव मैरिज बोलते हैं क्योंकि वो वर्ड शादी के पहले आता है, मैरिज के पहले. तो शादी से पहले लव होता है, फिर सिर्फ मैरिज रह जाता है.
True.
You know, so I'm just saying, you know, there are ways to improve your decision making. Look at people who are successful. Also look at people who have failed. Okay, think of both the scenarios. That is how you can improve. Understand the complete situation. Understand the financial situation of your partner, yourself. Okay, if you both together can, you know, run your life successfully, go ahead, but understand
Exactly.
it. If not, are you prepared to live in a adjusting situation? If yes, go ahead. Okay, but think of the situation, think of the consequences, think of the worst and the best. Talk to, understand, you know, look at experiences, good, bad, both.
Exactly.
If you want to be an actor, speak to both sides of it. See the good side of it, see the bad side of it. Okay, talk to people who are successful, talk to people who are not successful also. जो
Yeah,
successful
person.
yeah.
Yeah.
So that
You were
is
saying
what
something.
is, I think, will help you make better decisions. Understanding the situation, understanding or accepting the consequences, I think will help you make a better decision in life.
Yeah. So first thing was write down the pros and cons and see the pros and cons. What are the
Yeah.
pros and cons of that decision? And second thing, before that, I want to say कि understanding first is what is the situation. कि उस situation को समझते हुए then we should take the decision कि situation exactly है क्या. First is understanding and then is the pros and cons, and see the what are the results. What are the result which if I go with this decision or if I go with this decision, what are the results will come, and then we should take decision. What I believe that Yeah.
You know, human mind basically is scared of taking risky decision. But trust me, every successful person is a great decision maker. You know, if I
True.
had to give you an example, that let's say you have to watch a movie tonight and you open Netflix to search for a movie. I
Yeah.
want to ask you, if you had to rate yourself from 1 to 10, of 1 being easy and 10 being very difficult, how much would you rate to choose a movie from 1 to
Uh,
10?
Sometime it would be 10 or sometime it would be 1 because it depends on mood.
Okay,
In which
depends
mood,
on mood.
yeah, in which mood I am.
So
Yeah.
people who generally rate themselves between 1 to 5, you know, I had heard this in one of the TED talks, that people who rate themselves between 1 to 5, okay,
Yeah.
are generally not so great decision maker,
Hmm.
okay, but they are happy with the decision they've made. Okay,
Exactly.
people who take a lot of time in making a decision, okay, take a lot of time in making a decision, a better decision maker, happy with the decision they have made, because they might feel कि इससे भी better कोई
Exactly.
movie हो सकती थी, you know.
Exactly.
So you need to have that balance. You should be between 3 to 6 are the best
Exactly.
decision. Okay. So
True.
if I were to ask how good you or bad you are, you know, if once you start rating yourself between 3 to 6 in choosing a decision, okay, is when you become a better decision maker.
Wow. I have to learn lots of things to you. So
So
Jhilmil,
now
yeah,
whenever you go to select a movie, you will remember this thing.
yeah, I always contact to you. कि which movie to select.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So how does the right decision leads to happiness?
Absolutely, it does. I think, like I said before, I would say happiness leads to right decisions. You know, like I
Yeah,
said, if you are happy, in a happy
exactly.
state of mind, right? If you are in a
True.
happy state of mind, it would, you know, help you make a right decision or a better decision. The reason being, when you are happy, okay, you think positively, okay? You think
True.
positively and you end up making right decision unconsciously. So
Exactly.
I think you can say both. That obviously, if you have made a right decision, it will make you happy. I made a right decision, but how do I know it is right? I know it is right because I'm happy today of
And
leaving
yeah.
my home and, you know, going to Symbiosis or Pune to study. So today I know it's a right decision, right? At the
True.
end of life, you will, you know, there will be decisions which you felt were wrong in life, obviously, you know, and there will be decisions when you felt, thank God I made that decision. You know, for me, thank God I came out of my home to study and my life has changed completely. So that was the right decision I made. A lot of times you have made the right decision, but situation will make you feel that you've made it wrong. For example, I'll tell you, I came back, my mother just got operated, okay, and I was with her, and just before the lockdown, I came back to work to do my job, and a week later, a lockdown happened, okay. Now, for me, in the beginning, I started feeling, oh shit, I've made a wrong decision. Why did I come back? Okay, I started feeling that ways. I should have stayed back with mom. I should have done this. I should have done that. But you know, eventually, in this course of 2 months, 3 months, I realized I made a right decision. You know, because a lot of thing about me I have discovered in this 3 months. A lot of things
Exactly.
about me have changed in this 3 months. You know, a lot of things I started doing which I never did before. You know, I started taking care of my health. You won't believe I've lost 15 kgs in the last 6 months.
Oh,
So a
that's a
lot
new
of
breakthrough. That's
yeah,
a new breakthrough you got
absolutely,
in this lockdown.
absolutely, and I'm so happy with the way I'm looking today. So a lot of things, you know. So hang on to what decision you have taken. Okay, hang on to it. Work with it. Give your
Exactly.
best to it. Okay, give your best to it. You know, I was speaking to one of the person I was coaching. So the guy told me that he wanted to study BMS, bachelor in medical.
Medical.
And what happened is, because of the lack of money, he couldn't get into a BMS college. So
BMS
he
college.
had to study in a government college, and that too Ayurveda.
Oh.
So what he wanted to do, he couldn't do. Now he has two choices: either to cry, complain all the time
Exact.
about it, or to make the best of it in
Best
that.
of it.
So I am
True.
saying, if you have taken a decision, if you or somebody else has taken a decision for you because of whatever reason, give it your best. Give it your best. Okay? And let
Exactly.
the result come then.
Come.
Okay? Results don't matter. Efforts do. So give it your best effort. Okay? Results will change. I strongly believe in that. Because of the decision I took, because of whatever, to come back, to Delhi, after my mom's operation, I have to give my best to it now. I had two options. Either I complain, cry, why didn't I go back? Why did I come here? All of this, right? Or I could do my best in that. So all I want to say, even if you feel at a certain moment that you have taken a wrong decision, first give it your best,
Exactly.
so that you never have to regret later. A lot of people regret. And I think regret is the worst feeling to have.
Worst feeling. True.
First, give it your best, and then if it doesn't work, then you decide what you want to do.
Exactly.
But
I also want to add one thing that
yeah,
I heard somewhere. Taking a decision is not a big deal, but staying in your decision, that is a big thing.
absolutely.
There are lots of
So,
people, they take decision, but after some time they doubt themselves कि यार मैंने सही decision लिया या नहीं लिया, इसका result ठीक आएगा या नहीं आएगा. There are lots of people who come to me and ask me, I have taken this decision but I'm not getting result. मैंने कोई गलत decision तो नहीं लिया. तो
true.
बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो इस consequences में फंस जाते हैं कि हमारा डिसीजन राइट है और रॉन्ग है. बट आई वांट टू से वन थिंग कि डिसीजन जो हमने लिया है, विच डिसीजन वी टेक, वी हैव टू स्टे दैट डिसीजन एंड सी द रिजल्ट्स.
Absolutely.
If we don't believe on our decision, we can't make the better result.
True. And also, if you don't believe in it, how will other person will?
Exactly.
So give it your best is what I say. Give it your best, give it your 100%, and if it still doesn't work, then you know what to do.
Exactly. Giving 100% is a big part. अगर हम किसी भी चीज में 100% अपना दे रहे हैं, then 1% का भी चांस उसमें नहीं बच जाता कि हम बाद में उसको रिग्रेट करें या हमें कुछ बुरा लगे कि यार 1% मेरा रह गया, इतना सा रह गया. I will share a story of my friend that in college he was a brilliant student. He got the 99%, but वो 1% रह गया. तो वो 1% को लेके कि यार थोड़ी सी और मेहनत कर ली होती मैंने तो मेरा थोड़ा सा और अच्छे नंबर आ जाते. बट उसके 99% आए, उसको उस चीज की खुशी नहीं है. वो 1% के लिए कि मेरी लाइफ यार 1% मैंने मेहनत और कर ली होती. तो वो बहुत गलत चीज है कि अभी हमें जो हमने डिसीजन लिया, जो हमने अपना हार्डवर्क किया, स्मार्ट वर्क किया, उस पे हमें फोकस रहना है, स्टेबल रहना है.
I think whenever you do something, ask yourself, is this your best?
Exactly.
Ask yourself, if you are given 100% to your relationship, 100% to your job or business, 100% to yourself, okay?
Yeah. We have to make a checklist.
Find out.
Yeah, we have to make a checklist.
True.
Should we going on right path or not? Should we doing absolutely. Right or not?
Absolutely.
Okay, so Jilmil, should we take a decision from our heart or from head? What do you think about this?
See, for me, I'm a very emotional person. Okay, so I generally, one shouldn't be doing this, but I generally take most my decision of what my heart says is because that's more powerful. But if you have to take a right decision, again, it should be a combination of both. There will be a lot of decisions which your head says you to do and your heart says no. And there will be a decision where your heart says to do it, but your head will say, no, it's not right. Okay. So I think both your head and heart should agree on the decision that you are making. It should be a combination of, like Sandeep Maheshwari says, that it should be a combination of desire and knowledge. Desire is what comes from your heart, and
Heart.
knowledge is what comes from your head. So it should be a
True.
combination of both. Also, I also agree with him on this, and I strongly believe, because when your emotions are strong, okay, you don't see whether it is practical enough or not. And when you're too practical, okay, you might end up hurting somebody by taking that decision.
Exactly.
Okay, so I think it should be, I would give you an example. Okay, if a guy has to move out of his parents to go out and work, that is a very difficult decision for a lot of people. Okay, but
True.
how does one decide of firstly of the consequences, firstly of the situation? So use your head. How healthy are your parents? Can they take care of themselves while the time you are gone right now? Okay, is there somebody else to take care of them? Are people around them to take care of them? Are they financially stable enough for you to go out and work? Okay, all of this, how much are they dependent on you? Okay, are they themselves capable enough to handle themselves alone emotionally? Think of all of these things. And then finally, and also think of the opportunities that you have outside. And then if your heart says yes, okay, I want to follow my passion, I know I will make my parents proud. I work with one aim, that I want to make my parents proud. you know so the reason, I don't like staying away from them, I love them to the core of my heart. Okay, but I want to make them proud, and I know they are strong enough to take care of themselves. And when they are not, I do, I am always there to be with them. Like, when my mother was getting operated, I left everything and I went to be with her.
Exactly.
But I'm
Yeah.
saying is, when you have to make hard decisions or hard choices, it should be a combination of your head and heart. And one piece of advice is, I want to really give to people. Okay, this is something that's coming from my head and heart both. Okay, is don't think of what people will think.
Exactly.
Okay, okay,
Forget about the people what they think, because there is
yeah,
a
absolutely,
line in movie
absolutely,
कि कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे एंड लोगों का काम है कहना. और ये लाइन मुझे,
absolutely.
ये दो लाइनें मुझे बहुत
बहुत
एम्पावरिंग लगती हैं,
inspiring.
बहुत एम्पावरिंग एंड इंस्पायरिंग लगती हैं. बिकॉज
Absolutely,
बहुत सारी सिचुएशंस आती हैं, बहुत सारे मोमेंट्स आते हैं लाइफ में जब लोग हमें कहते हैं कि हम गलत रास्ते पे हैं, बट कहीं ना कहीं आगे जाके वो डिसीजंस या वो चीजें हमारे लिए अच्छी होती हैं. एंड बाद में वही लोग आके कहते हैं कि हम तो हमेशा से कहते थे कि आप तुम सही कर रहे हो. तो दैट इज द थिंग
absolutely. Also,
आई
one thing,
बिलीव.
this is what I have personally experienced, but I want to tell this to a lot of people. I say it in a joking manner कि अगर लोग क्या सोचेंगे वो भी तुम सोचोगे तो लोग क्या सोचेंगे.
लोग क्या सोचेंगे, एग्जैक्टली उनके लिए भी कुछ
ठीक है,
काम
तो
छोड़ दो.
लोग उनके लिए तो छोड़ दो. But I want to say
एग्जैक्टली.
this on a very serious note. I know of a lot of women who are staying in an abusive marriage, okay, in an abusive marriage relationship, because of what the family would say if
फैमिली
she
वाज
gets separated, because of what the society would say if she gets separated, because of what her children would say if she gets separated. But trust me, do not listen to anybody, because nobody knows the pain you're going through. Okay,
एग्जैक्टली.
nobody
नोबडी नोस.
understands what you're going through. So take a decision which is for yourself. Okay,
एग्जैक्टली.
because your parents will keep asking you to suffer and stay, because they are also afraid of what the society will say. Okay, it's not that they don't love you, but I want to tell this to anybody and everybody: do not take a decision based on what people will think or what people will say.
एग्जैक्टली.
That is a very strong experience I've had. It has spoiled many lives on when people take decision based on what people will say. So please do not do that. If you ever found this discussion interesting, please, I want to give this message to everybody who
Yeah,
is seeing this: is take a decision which is your own decision. Okay, don't take a decision where you can blame it on somebody, or don't take a decision where you have to regret because of somebody. You know,
exactly.
आधे लोग अरेंज मैरिज इसीलिए करते हैं कि अगर कोई पंगा हुआ ना तो हम माँ बाप को बोल
So,
सकते हैं भाई तुम के लाए हो.
yeah, I have seen the
But
situations.
I would still take a decision. Maybe it turns out wrong, but it is my decision.
My
I will
decision.
fight. Okay, I will
Exactly.
fight. I will make it work. I will give it my 100%. And if it still doesn't work, maybe it was not supposed to work. But take your own decisions.
Decision. True. That is the thing. कि up take your own decision. Don't go with flow and don't go the bhed chal.
Absolutely.
So thank you, Jilmil, for this wonderful session.
Welcome.
I hope you like the episode. Please give your feedbacks and your takeaways in comment box below and share this video and help me to spread this knowledge with more and more people, because your one share can change one life. So don't forget to share it and also subscribe the page and channel for upcoming episodes and update. Till then, bye bye. I'll see you in the next episode. Same time, same place.
Absolutely. And I must say, Sonu, you're doing a brilliant job. I was so happy to be here, and I really had a great discussion. Okay. And there's so much
I
everybody has to share. I think we should share it with more and more people. If it changes 1% in somebody's thought
exactly,
today, I think we have achieved what we want to as coaches.
exactly.
Yes.
So
So I hope whatever I have said today has sparked some people's mind today. Like
true,
your
as the
series.
series name is Spark Your Mind. If we
Absolutely.
give 1% spark in one person's mind, we will
I think
we
we've
have
done a
achieved.
job.
Yeah, we have done our job.
Like you always say, make a difference. What is that you say?
Yeah, as I always say, think different, make a difference.
Absolutely. So let's make a difference. A small difference can make a big difference eventually.
Yeah, shifting the thinking,
बूंद बूंद से
make
घड़ा
a
भरता है.
true.
Absolutely. So thank you, Sonu. Thank you for having me.
Thank you,
I hope it
Jilmil.
was great. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.